Astaga, Keren Sekali. Whoa! Well, if that time comes, of course, as I've said earlier in the past interviews, I'm gonna buy my own car, buy a own house for my family, and also savings. Well, our journey, well, it starts with the group stage. In the group stage, we did not expect that we can beat Onic, and then yeah, so proceeding in the knockout stage, we played with Aurora. We chose Aurora, and at that time we also did not expected that we can win against Aurora. And then okay, moving forward in the semifinals, well, it's the for me it's the hard one, the semifinals, since it's also a mental game, since I we thought that we had the curse in semifinals because we lost twice in semifinals. So yeah, uh, beating Onyx in that time is really the most happy one, because yeah, we finally broke the curse, but it didn't stop there. And in the finals, we were just enjoying the game, and also like we didn't felt any pressure, because yeah, we just want to enjoy the series and also played the game without pressure. Oh, dedicate the win, of course, to my teammates. That's like Carl. I no, can I do it again? Well, to my teammates, especially to Carl TZ, because he really needed this title for him to be classified as the GOAT. And also, this win is for my family and friends also, because yeah, they're just my motivation. And also, yeah, my teammates and my coaches and the fans of TLPH.